Ngayong gabi ay atin pong mapapakinggan the country's premier band. Let's give it up for Side A!
Magandang gabi po, Isulan. Isa pong malakas na palakpakan para po sa lahat ng narito po ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po for having us tonight. Alright, okay lang bang pakiligin namin kayo ngayong gabi? Alright, simulan na natin. We'd like to do a recorded song by Side A. Something familiar for guys to sing along with. Here we go. Para sa mga nagmamahalan. Here we go. Take me to your heart. Show me where to start. And let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are bright. Every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait. They trust in love to fate. They find out too late that they've lost it. Never let it go. They will never know the waste of love. You gotta believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You gotta believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two. Ayos. But I may never know why I need you so. But all I need to know is this feeling. So handle it with care. 'Cause we were born to share this dream I love. Isulan, get naman! Sing it! Tell me how. In a world that's full of strangers. One more time, come on. Something stronger. Oh, 'cause it's magic when two people fall in love. But time is on our side. We'll always cross our ways. I guess we're meant to stay. Don't take the magic away. Gotta believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in Thank you very much. Since nagkantahan na rin natin, tuloy na natin. Come on, let's sing some more. Mamaya na ako magsasalita. Come on. OPM.
never felt this way before. As much as I have stayed in love with you. Never thought the feelings meant for you were true. 'Cause every time you're all alone, you wonder if I'd really never change, if I'd really stay in love with you. Okay naman.
We just only stay together.
Even if there's nothing more, the best is that forever love.
We have to stay this way in love forever.
Even if you change your ways, always stay this
Always
way.
abide, 'cause I will always stay this way in love with you.
I will always stay this way in love with you. I will always stay this way in love with you. I will always stay in love this way.
I have loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you feel this feeling I have inside. You're always romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say, what to say. Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. Beside me all the time. All the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines and here I am, struggling for words and still don't know what to say. What to say? Come on! When you pass by, I could fly. Isa pa, yung mas malakas! You're beside me all the time. All the time. All the time. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss, sweet little eyes. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you. The thing you see, now I know I've got you.
You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide, make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. my side, no one seems to listen. And if you go, no, the tears can't help to show. Break this heart and tear it apart.
Suddenly the madness started. K.O.A. It's just fine. Your sweet little lies.
Yeah, but you walked away.
And it's you.
Changes everything you see. When I know
There nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, what did I do to make you change your mind? When if this love's not ours to have, I let it go with your goodbye. I'll let it go with Yung mga handa ng mag-let go, sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ako na lang para wala nang balikan, okay? And total, wala nang balikan. Diretso na natin dito. Here's another side A song. We often fool ourselves and say that it's love only 'cause when it's gone we end up being lonely. So how are we to know that it just wasn't so? That we just have to let each other go. So many times when we shared precious moments, but later realized that they were only stolen moments. So how are we to know that it just wasn't so? That we just have to let each other go. If loving you is all that means to me, if being happy is all I hope you'll be, if loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Each day we meet, my love for you keeps getting stronger, but every time we meet, makes leaving you so much harder. So how are we to know that it just wasn't so? That we just have to let each other go. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, come on! Asan na yung mga heartbroken? Pakilakasan. Come on! Loving you, oh, if loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Letting go is not an easy task. Once more I feel like home is where there's loneliness, but it hurts deep inside, and I just cannot hide. At the end, wish I could find a way to help if the love in you is all that means to me, if being happy is all I hope you'll be, if loving you must mean I really have to set you free. All right, thank you very much.
Big up for you, Sir Bocos.
Okay, ulitin ko na ngayon, makakadaldal na ako ng one. Again, maraming salamat po for you guys being here tonight. Pasalamat naman tayo na binayaan tayo ng magandang weather tonight. Come on. And hopefully, by next week, when you start your fiesta, when your celebration, tuloy-tuloy pong magandang panahon. And wag po natin kakalimutan yung mga kababayan natin, pagdasal po natin sila na wala pong madisgrasya. Sa alam naman po natin nangyayari ngayon, meron pong bagyo sa northern, and even kung saan po kami galing sa Metro Manila, pagdasal po natin sila na maging okay po ang lahat. Okay po ba yun? Alright. E nandun na rin po tayo sa usapang ganon. Nais po namin, hayaan niyo pong magbahagi kami sa inyo ng kantang isinulat ng aming bass player, si Ned. And ang idea po, ang message po ng awit na ito is, alam na po natin nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, and hopefully, kahit po gaano kaliit or gaano kalaki po yung maiko-contribute natin para po ma-preserve natin itong mundong itong ginagalawan natin para sa mga future generations, sa mga anak, sa mga apo ng apo natin, para po ma-enjoy pa po nila ang mundong ito. Gawin po natin para, again, yun, ma-enjoy pa nila po ito. Ang awit po na ito ay entitled, Ibigin ang Mundo. And here's the one to sing, and we hope we can send the message across. Here it goes. Aalala mo pa ba ang mundo na may sigla at ganda? Unti-unti namang nawawala. Baka naman sakaling pwede pa na sabay-sabay na tayong tumayo't magkapipisig. Lahat bumangon at alagaan ang ating paligid. Wala nang panahon, kaya kumilos na ngayon. Dahil ang bukas ay hindi garantisado. Kailan pa ba tayo tunay na magbabago? Hindi na ba natin marinig? Umiiyak ang daigdig at may munting hiling bago maglaho. Matututaw tayo na ibigin ang mundo. Di ko maintindihan paano natin siya napabayaan. Di ko kayang tanggapin. Tuluyan siyang mawawala sa atin. Sana sabay-sabay sa tayong tumayo't magkapipisig. Lahat bumangon at alagaan ang ating paligid. Wala nang panahon, kaya kumilos na ngayon. Dahil ang bukas ay hindi garantisado. Kailan pa ba tayo tunay na magbabago? Di na ba natin mag-iiyak ang daigdig bago maglaho? Tayo na ibigin ang
Dahil ang bukas ay hindi garantisado.
Kailan pa ba tayo tunay na
kaya
magbabago? Di na ba na ibigin po natin ang mundo. Thank you very much. Alright, balik po tayo sa kantahan. Kanina, yung mga in love. Ito, baka may mga... sino po ba yung mga kasamang asawa, mga boyfriend tonight? Asan ba? Ayan. Marami-rami po. Meron po kaming kakantahin pa para sa inyo. Ito pong sunod na aawitin natin, baka sakali dun sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano ba talagang meron sa kanilang dalawa. Oo, baka iniisip nyo hanggang ngayon mabait lang talaga siya sa inyo. Pero habang kinakanta natin to, sulyap-sulyapan nyo na para sakaling malaman nyo na talaga yung tuloong nararamdaman mo. Okay? You can sing along with this one. Ngunit di ko pa rin maamin sa'yo. Di malaman ang sasabihin pagkarap ka. Ngunit inilingon naman paraan niya. Sa awitin kong ito ipadaan. ako'y lumipas at iba na, awitin kong ito'y alaala pa. Oh, hindi ang damdamin ko sa'yo maiiwan. Sa pagkulong ng hangin ang nakaraan, o sa pagkulong ng hangin ang nakaraan. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Sa awiting ito padarama. Pwede mga kayo naman? Come on, say. Para nag-aalinlangan pa po kayo sa lyrics. Kaya niyo po yan. Come on! Lala! Nailalakas ba yan? Come on everyone, say it. Lala! Oh! 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 La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. Sa awitin ko ito, ayos. Kantahan pa tayo. Here's another medley of OPM songs. May mga 90s people ba tayo dito tonight? 90s people? Ayun! Kayo po ang aasahang pumawit kasama ko. Starting with this one. Gusto kita, sa puso ko'y ikaw lang ang mahalaga. Hindi din mang limutin ka ay hindi ko magagawa. Parang nalipin mo isip at damdamin ko. Oh, gusto kita, pagkat ang kilos mo'y sadyang ibang iba. Mahinhin at malambing pa, katangi ang di mo sadya. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y di na magbabago pa. Kahit sabi na mali ako, hindi mo o bihag mo, ako'y iyong-iyo. Kung pag-ibig ang pag
buwan sa gabi, di ko na masisita. Isa lang ang nagkakaringtala sa mundo, at ikaw lang ang liwanag ng buhay ko. Di ko pansin ang bango ng hasmin pag kapiling ka sinta. Kahit gadagat ang dami ng rosas, hindi matataranta. Iisa lang ang nagtataglay ng halimuya, at ikaw lang tanging ikaw sinta. Kayo naman, one. Ikaw ang tunay na salamat. Hindi magsasawa sa piling ko. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta. Maghapon kahit magdamang, laging ikaw sinta. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta. Tunay na ligaya, kahit magdamang, laging ikaw sinta. Hindi magsasawa sa piling mo.
Sa akin, kahit ika'y wala sa aking piling. Isang magandang alaala, isang kapong lagi kong kasama. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin, kahit ika'y di ko dapat ibigin. Dapat ko kita limutin, paano pipigil ang isang damdamin Salamat po for staying with us. We love you too. Salamat po. Alright. Bago magkalamitan, again, nagpasalamat na po ako for everyone. Again, isang malutong na masarap na palakpakan para sa ating lahat. Congratulations po dahil you put this event together. But we also, of course, would like to thank our Governor, Datu Pax Ali Sangki Mangu na Datu. Palakpakan po natin, Gov. Alam ko mapapanood naman ni Gov to. So, salamat po. Ngayon po, ang tanong ko, may energy pa ba kayo?
Oo nga, sanay pala sila magpuyat, no?
May energy pa ba kayo? Tingnan mo nga yung katabi mo kung may energy pa.
Meron.
Okay, mukhang meron.
Ay, maraming pagkain kasi dito, so maraming
Oo nga, ang dami. Parang ang dami.
maraming mapakukuha ng energy. Oh.
Sige.
Mamaya kakain kami doon sa mga food hub.
Kung parang wala ng energy, medyo sukusikuhin nyo nga po. Sabi mo, okay.
Ano na yung mga street food nila na mga lokal. Oh. Siyempre, fiesta nila, tuloy-tuloy lang. No? Ilang araw ba to? Isang linggo ba? Oh?
Actually, ano pa lang to? Patikim pa lang to. Next week pa yata ang piyesta, ang tunay na piyesta.
Tunay
Tama
na
po ba? Okay. Grabe, merong pre-piyesta.
Kalimutan.
Bago piyesta. Alright. Simulan na natin. Wala ring mangyayari kung pag-isipan pa maghihintay na lang kung sino man iyo dapu puso ko. Tuloy na natin, ha? Tuloy, 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 pari. Isulan, makinig. Tayo. Alam niyo, kayo lang po yung may energy na nabibingi. Sabi ko po, tayo, wag po kayo magtinginan. Okay lang kung ayaw niyong papilit dahil hindi namin ito itutuloy hanggat may nakaupo. Ano, tutuloy ba natin o hindi? Tuloy daw. Tayo! Lahat na may energy, let's see those hands up in the air. That's right. We're gonna do this right. Here we go. One. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, Isulan. Oh, kanina ko sa inyo at ako niloko mo. Pinagsapan alas 8, nagkantara pa naman. sabay naman natin yung drummer namin. Ernie!
Ang langit ay pumumukha, sabi na'y sumulong ka na. Masasama ako sa mga puno, habang ang ulap ay
One more time!
huwag ka sana paawa, wala ka na magagawa. Mabango pa naman ang simoy ng hangin, maglalala na.
Kung ano?
Maghihintay na lang.
Sino man nabuang ng puso ko, tuloy pa rin ako. Akin sa Ligon, kanina. Pwede bang sabay-sabay na malakas? Come on! Wala rin mangyayari kung ano?
Huwag niyo nang isipin pa.
Maghihintay na lang.
Oh, darating din yun.
Sino man iyon, nabuang ng puso ko, tuloy pa rin ako. Tuloy pa rin ako.
Tuloy pa rin ako.
Tuloy pa rin ako.
Tuloy pa rin ako.
Tuloy, tuloy, tuloy pa rin ako. Gusto niyo ba magsayawan? Onti lang naman, onti lang naman. Siyempre yung mga makaupo, paano kayo sasayaw? Come on! Isu lang, let's party. Onti lang naman. Here we go!
Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ang kangasiyahan, tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman.
Lalo na kung
Ano?
awit bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, sabay ng mga parang pagod. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, pakisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Keep on dancing. Panahon natin ay nag-iiba, kaya't sundin. Masasayang awitin, nararapat na tangkilikin. Awit bago ay naghihintay para isayaw nyo. That's more like it. Here we go. One, two, three. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, sabay ng mga bagong natulog ka. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, pakisama at mag-enjoy ka. Isa pa, isa pa. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, sabay ng mga bagong natulog ka. Sabay-sabay ka sa aking takbo, pakisama at mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Tuloy lang. Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtingin natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay huwag na huwag magkalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Sasayaw nga. One more time. Sasayaw ko. Okay. Napagod ba kayo? Napagod talaga, no? Okay lang yun. Okay lang mapagod. Wag lang mapagod ang... wag lang mapagod umibig. Okay lang ba yun? Sino ba dito yung mga nakahanap na ng forever nila? Sino yung mga hanggang ngayon umaasa pa rin makahanap ng forever? Huwag po kayong susuko. Okay? Again, maraming salamat po. We're gonna leave you with this one. God bless you, everyone. There are times when I just want to look at your face, when the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. Just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forever. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you were mine now. Hey naman, you were just a dream to be with Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you sometime soon. God bless everyone. Thank you very much.